Hello and welcome to class. My name is Chinyere Fadi Kanwanayo. I'm a graduate of Business Administration. I'm a certified copywriter and also a certified data entry professional. If you have gone through this class, you also know that I'm a snail farmer. And so I wear different caps, but I am passionate, really passionate about helping humans become better. Welcome once more to class. We have been on the series of class sessions of teaching you 10 simple must-have skills for any new business owner. And I must commend you for how far you've come. In this class, I'll be teaching you how to build a one-page website. I think this should be an exciting experience for you because I remember when I wanted to build a website, I think 2 years ago, I tried contracting someone who is close to me, not necessarily a stranger, but the least I could get was 500,000. If I had known that I could build at least a one-page website for my different businesses, I'm certain I wouldn't have bothered. But it's fine. Now I know, and I'm trying to show you how I made it happen. Remember, I'm teaching you just the simple basic forms. You can explore and even upgrade to those ones you can pay for. But I'm using the ones that I don't pay for. I only use my data to access it, and I share the link with my clients if I need to. So once more, I welcome you. I'll be starting with, going to places where I save links that I use or I hold dear, that I hold dear to my heart. All right. To pick up one of the links of my page, which is my website link for God's Amazon's Corner. All right, let me copy it. Here it is. So this is one of the things you can do with Google Document. This is my Google Document site where I save links. We'll still come back as well to pick up this particular link as well that I'm about to highlight. This is my second website, one-page website for my snail business. Now, the first one I copied is for God's Amazon's Corner. So let's just go and see what it looks like. It is called, I opened that one in main stack. So I'll be showing you what it looks like, the interface of the one-page website I opened with main stack. After showing you this, I'll also go ahead to show you the one-page website I opened with TapLink. And after showing you that, I will teach you how to open a website with TapLink, and I will expect you to explore further. Here is what a main stack interface looks like. So this is my vulgar God's Amazon's Corner interface. All right, it's a one-page website that I designed on main stack. So I'm a public speaker, I'm a coach, yes, I'm an author of books. Okay, I'm also into education. If you look at here, we have offline projects. We go out to reach out to schools. We believe in catching them young. Okay, we've been to Cross River, we've been to the Middle Belt, we've been to Abuja, we've been to even Lagos. All right, this God's Amazon's Corner, this is our healing interface where the books and then the healing therapies that I have designed for people who want mind healing. You want mind healing, want to discover purpose. We have some tips that has worked for me and for many others that I share. This is just a clips from all of that. All right. This is also my YouTube channel. I created this particular main stack one page website from the scratch. No, not for, I used a template, sorry. I used a template they provided to create it. All right, you too can. You see, if you open main stack and you scroll, like they might show you my own template, this particular my interface as a template. You see here, this place they said create a page like this. You click on this and you can create a page like this just by editing out what you do not want and doing what, and putting in what you want. That was how I used another person's template to actually design my own one-page website. Isn't it beautiful? I bet you it is beautiful. Like I said, this is Mainstack. I have another website for my snail business, which is on TapLink. So I'm here to copy the link of that website so that I can also show you the interface. So that instead of paying 500,000 and all of that, as a new business owner, there will be a time you pay it too. Like there'll be a time you need to pay it so that your website will be, have more, like you can have more on your website. There will be a time, but as a new business owner, one page is enough. Like if you went through that my Mainstack page, you will be able to understand what I do. You see my activities in brief. All right, this is my TapLink one-page website. It's also for my snail business. You will also see what I do here in bits, like in brief rather. I answered some question, who is a snailpreneur? If you click on it, the answer pops up. A snailpreneur is an entrepreneur who is in business of nurturing and selling snails. Do you understand? You want to get consultation, you click on get consultation. This is my snail business one-page website. I've written 4 ebooks. It is also sitting pretty here. Ebooks. Let me show you. A to Z of constructing a pen. You want to construct a pen, a snail pen. I have constructed one from the scratch to the fullest. I will teach you. I have an ebook on it, very detailed ebook. Another one is a major knowledge you need as a snailpreneur. All right, that is also an ebook. Another ebook I've written is this art called snail, because some people will be like, what is snailery? The book talks about it. Then who is a snailpreneur? The ebook talks about it. So this is my one-page website for my snail business. So anyone who I'm dealing with concerning snail business, I send them this link. They come here and see what I've done so far in brief. My account details is there, and then every other thing they need. Having shown you this, I want to actually teach you with TapLinks how to have a one-page website for yourself. And I'll be using this particular TapLinks actually. So what do you need to do? What you simply need to do is go to Chrome. Go into Chrome and I typed in TapLink. Okay, you go. It will bring you to an interface this way. You now go ahead and click on this. All right, when you click on it, it will open you up to this particular interface. Now you will now go in here and put in your email. For you would go for get started for free. For me already, I have an interface. I may not go that route. I'll go another route. I've taught you how to open an email. Just in case you do not know, please go see the short video I made on it. So let me just type in my, okay, I already have my email that I use in opening saved, so I don't need to sign up anymore. I'll just have to get in with it. You would have to sign in your email and then click on get started for free, and it will take you to a page. here is the page that you would be brought to as a new person on Taplinks. So once you get to this page, play around like I would always say, all right? Play around everything, try and understand what they are saying per time. So directly, I will just take you directly to see what we have here. Link in bio, landing page. We are here for the landing page, and these are examples of landing pages down. Let's view all. This is me trying to take us to view all. Do you understand? These are examples. So we might want to, maybe you're a farmer and you want to design a page. Maybe you want to use this, for example. So we go, click on it, and go on to start editing. So you see where they're asking you, are you about to discard this, or you want to choose this? Just go ahead and click on choose. You choose it. They're asking you create a new profile with this template. You say yes. Once you click yes, it will open. Do you understand? Now, for you to edit this, you just click on each of the points you want to edit on. You want to edit rather. So let's say, let me show you what I mean. Maybe you want to edit this point, click on it. For every point you want to edit, click on it. I also want you to see this. These are blocks. These are blocks representing these, all of these, okay? This block is representing this. Do you understand? This one here is representing this. So for each block, if you tamper with this block here, you are trying to tamper with this. If you tamper with this block here, if you click here, you are trying to edit this. If you click here, you are trying to edit this. I hope this makes sense to you. So for every block you want to edit, click on that block. So click on the block and go ahead to see how you want to edit it. Say I want to edit this. I click on ATV rental. It opens me up. All right. I want to change it to, maybe I want to change it to, what do I want to change it? Beauty. No, I said a farm. Green area. Maybe we are into green areas. All right. Then I'll come down here to save changes. Whatever you input, you save changes. These are icons to use. These icons are icons to use. So once you click them, you find out what each stands for. This is just like editing on Canva or any other site that you find yourself. I've taught you editing over and over again, so I will not be going so deeply, so that this class is not unnecessarily long. So you save changes. Green areas, it has changed. All right. You want to edit the next one. You come in and click here. All right. Once you click on it, it opens up. Then you go ahead and then maybe take an adventure with us. You see, I maintained the picture and then the title. I chose a picture that template that relates to my kind of business. I like the green area, so I want to do a green area business. You saw that we have a lot of templates. Please endeavor to choose a template that gives you the vibe of what you are doing, because most times uploading new pictures on TapLink means that you want to upgrade, or it could be difficult for you. So choose any template that will give you the vibe, or you do without pictures entirely. So me, I don't want to do without pictures, so I want to leave this picture. I can go to the next one that say rent an ATV. On all of that, whatever details you can edit, put your phone number, and all of that can come in handy. Now another thing I want to tell you, just in case you want to introduce a new blog, like what I mean a new blog, these are blocks. These are blogs. Let's say you want to introduce a new blog that the ones they have is not enough, you want to add more information. Please come to here that says add block. Okay, when you get there, just add block, click on it, and you see these options. Okay, they're asking you the new block, what will it be like? What do you want? You see the ones they wrote pro, don't go near pro for any reason. If you go near pro, even image is on pro. That's why I said don't choose a template that has an image that can work with your business, or once you delete that image, you may just work with that image. If you notice my own interface for my snail business, it has no image on it because I deleted what they had, and I couldn't generate a new image. So if the block you want to add is just for maybe a text, or you want to add a link, please, if it's a text you want to type in, see what to type, click on. If it's a link you want to paste, see it. All right. If it's a divider, all of these are all. If it's an avatar, it's also free. Let's even try adding a block for an avatar. So we click on avatar. Let's see where it will take us. Okay, you see the avatars they have. Okay, that means like a human face kind of. So you can click on any one of them. Say I click on this one and I save changes. Here is the avatar. Here is the avatar. It has popped up. It even popped up twice. So if I want to delete it, I may want to delete one of these avatars since it has popped up twice. I'll still click on it to find a place to see if I can delete it. I have found one. So let me show you. This is the delete icon here. Because it appeared twice, I don't want it twice. So this is the delete icon, and I go on and click on it to delete it. So you see, the second avatar has been deleted. That is it. So I want you to play around these things. Do your edits, do your work, put in your number, put in everything you can. I just clicked open this particular aspect of the what's it called, the number aspect, and it brought me here. So I can put in my phone number. You too can actually put in your phone number here. You can decide as well to put in link. Sorry, it's a link text. Put in link, put in phone number here. These are also settings section. You can click on these to see what it's saying, so that you have the best of this particular app. You have to enjoy it to the fullest. So after all edit and deleting everything you do not want, after all of that, it's going to take you time. It took me, I think, days. I've just shown you basics on how to go about these things. After doing all of that, then when you are certain that you are done with everything you want to create, I clicked on this avatar here, and I can see my profiles. I can see the diary of the Snapreneur. I can see shared access. You see all of these. You can even log out. You can even see the pricing for TapLink in case you want to upgrade. So if I click on my profiles, you will see all of my profiles. So these are my profiles here. If I want to add new profile, I'll come here. This is the one I'm using to teach you now. All right, this one is one I want to develop. I want to develop a link on my bio, but that I will still work. I'll still work on later. All right, and this one here is my sample page that I showed you at first. Okay, so you can have different profiles on the same page. After you must have edited everything you need to edit. You have added all the blocks, you have crossed your T's and dotted your I's. You should now click on publish to publish it, and then this is where your link will be. You copy and send to clients, whoever you want to share with. Just copy and send, and that is it. So my assignment in this particular class is that you would have to open your own one-page website, edit it and all. If you have any hitches, reach out to me, ask your questions. I will guide you on how to navigate it until you are able to publish your own one-page website. I want to see you try, and then you can master your art from there. It's beautiful to know that on Mainstack, on Taplinks, you can actually click here and view your different profiles. You can have different profiles on the same site. Awesome, isn't it? So please go and explore Taplink, or if you prefer Mainstack, you can also explore Mainstack. Thank you very much, and I await your questions and your assignments to be submitted.